Alpha Futures and Topstep are two top choices for traders seeking funded futures accounts, but they cater to different needs. Alpha Futures offers a simple one-phase evaluation with no hidden fees, unlimited resets, and fast bi-weekly payouts with up to 90% profit split. Traders appreciate its transparent rules, no payout penalties, and stellar support, backed by a near perfect 4.9 Trustpilot rating. Topstep, by contrast, uses a two-step evaluation that emphasizes consistency, with a starting cost of $165, $375 month plus a $149 activation fee. It offers a rich learning environment with coaching, videos, and community support, and a structured payout model 100% of the first $5 Kelvin or $10 Kelvin, then 90% afterward. TopStep is well suited for newer traders who want guidance and tools, while Alpha Futures is ideal for those seeking a faster, simpler path to funding with less friction. Choose Alpha for speed and clarity, or TopStep for structure and education.